Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I definitely think it's the end of a wave 3. If it is the end of a wave 3, then we are most likely in a wave 4 right now, which is probably going to last probably at least until spring next year. Then it will probably go up again for a wave 5. So definitely don't expect this to go up anytime soon, I don't think. Going down to the weekly time frame, most likely we are only in a wave A of the wave 4. And I'm really, even though that is a big old spike candle, I'm really not convinced the wave A is over. I think eventually we will go up and make a wave B, which will be a crutch into the wave A and down again for a wave C. But this is all the weekly, monthly time frame, so it's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the daily time frame, this is the downtrend, which I am calling a wave A of wave 4. Definitely no breaker structure, definitely no higher low telling us this trend is over. I actually think it looks like a 1, 2, 3. I really, really do not think this is over. Likely we're in a wave 4, then it's probably going to go down again for a wave 5, and this is all only a wave A of the bigger correction on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looked like it made three waves up right here, 1, 2, 3 to the fib level. It kind of looked like the end of a correction, and honestly, it might be the end of a correction, and it might just keep on going down from here. The problem is it looks extremely corrective, which makes me think there's actually a better chance that it might go up again, maybe even go up to the 61% before it actually does go down, ending a wave 4 and going back down for the wave 5. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. If you are short the euro yen, I definitely wouldn't exit. I mean, it definitely looks like an ABC correction on the 1 hour time frame range, and there is definitely a chance that it might just keep on drifting down from here. But to me, this move right here looks extremely corrective, especially when you look at all yen pairs, which makes me think that it may actually either pop up, maybe hit the 50 again, or maybe more likely go up to the 61.8, so that way it can stop everybody out. The market likes to move from one stop hunt to another before it actually does really break structure to the downside and really end up continuing back down in the big wave for wave 5. So like I said, if you are short, I probably wouldn't exit yet, but if it does make a big engulfing move to the upside and it breaks, structure, I would definitely get out of my shorts and maybe even consider going long. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.